All right, so like I promised, I said in the second video, I'm going to be showing you the prompts that you're going to be using to build uh, web application. So this is actually the prompt: design a high converted single page landing page for a free course called Build and Profit. Please follow the instruction in this prompt to the letter and make sure you perform at your optimal best in executing the instruction by putting on the hat of a WordPress UI designer and web app developer. So this is the introduction, the overview to the prompt. So if you scroll down, you see all the sections that I want the builders that we're going to be using to follow, so that we can have beautiful beautiful web interface. So these are everything that you need to you need to know. So from here up is actually the prompts. So I actually copy these components to improve a particular section of that prompt, but I'm going to be showing you how that works. So but this all of this, as I've shown you, they are the prompts that we're going to be using to build a web application. So like I said in the first video, you need a UI, or the front end, where user can actually connect with your application, and then a backend. So this is what will create the front end, and then through that we can actually go ahead and add some functions to the backend that we're going to be using, right? So for you to actually get this prompt, there's a premium guide that I have to show you how to do it. So but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just briefly show you how actually I got this prompt. Apart from this, I'm going to be sharing this with you separately. So but to get the prompt, I have a premium uh, prompt that I use to generate this particular prompt. So let me copy that, and so what you need to do is have this information and then go to ChatGPT. But before you go to ChatGPT, you have to go online to search for a particular website or an web applications that have the kind of information you want to put on your on your web application, or the kind of design that you like. For example, I love the design. I'm actually using this design for a particular application that I'm working on, right? So what I want to do is I want to actually copy this particular design. I want the tools that we're going to be using. For example, we're going to be using Lovable in this tutorial. I want it to be able to copy the design. It might not be perfect, but it will be very, very, very close. And from there, I'll be able to make some changes by writing some text. Okay, I want this to be changed. I want this kind of content to be in this particular place, and so on and so forth. So that's how it works. So, for example, I have actually screenshot all this using a particular Google Chrome extension called Go Full Page. So everything is already on my laptop. All I have to do is just go to ChatGPT and click on attach file, upload from computer, and then you are going to check the screenshot. So I'm going to click on this screenshot, right? After clicking on the screenshot, it will upload that particular screenshot on ChatGPT. When that is uploaded on ChatGPT, I will actually go ahead and click and paste the particular prompts that I told you about, which always give you the best response every time. And then I will click on send. So ChatGPT will go through the screenshots, and then using the prompt to create the UI component of that particular website on how to recreate this particular website. So if you follow it, you can see that it's actually creating everything, and every information that needs to be there that ChatGPT have actually seen on that particular website is actually there. But there is a tool that actually make this easier, but it comes at a cost. The tool is called copycoder.ai, right? This is the tool, but the copycoder.ai actually comes with a FT price. It's the cost, I think it's $15, right? Let's click on upgrade. So there is no free plan for this. There is no free plan at all. So you have $15 per month. But I'm going to be giving you access to this particular prompt later after the course. So what I'm going to show you is how this particular prompt works. So this is exactly how I actually generated the prompts that we're going to be using for this particular tutorial, right? So it's simple. Find a a landing page that you love. Let me give you an example. You can go to landing folio, right? landingfolio.com to get inspiration, right? So this landingfolio.com website actually have a lot of landing page designs. For example, if you come down to the industry side, you can click on SaaS and you see different landing page ideas that you can pick from. There are many others, that I can share with you, but you see a lot of them, so you can check, okay, this is what I want to do. Oh, this particular website actually gave me the kind of design or the kind of feel that I want for my landing page or for my dashboard or whatever that I want to create, right? So this is how that works. After you've done that, you use go full page uh, screen full page screenshots to capture the whole page, so that you can now use the prompt to generate the kind of design that website have. It will not be 100% perfect. We're using AI, but it will be almost perfect. So that's that about that, about the tutorial. So in the next video, I'm actually going to go straight into going to lovable.dev and actually giving it a prompt or for designing our own web application for this particular tutorial.